Kids.
In this video, let us learn first in India, men's. First Indian to win Nobel Prize is Rabindranath Tagore. First person ever to climb Mount Everest twice is Navangombu. First Indian man in space is Rakesh Sharma. First Indian to get Nobel Prize in Physics is Sri Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman. The first person to receive Nobel Prize in Economics is Amartya Sen. First Indian to receive Bharata Ratna Award is C. Rajgopalachari. First Jnanpith Award is G. Shankara Kurpa. The first Indian pilot is J.R.D. Tata. The first person to receive Stalin Prize is Saifuddin Kitzlu. The first person to receive Magsaysay Award is Acharya Vinoba Bhave. The first person to get Paramavir Chakra is Major Somnath Sharma. First batsman to score a double century in one day international cricket match, Shri Sachin Tendulkar. First batsman to score 3 test century in 3 successive tests on debut, Mohammad Azharuddin. First athlete from independent India to win an individual medal in the Olympics is K.D. Jadhav. The first Indian to win Olympic gold in athletics is Neeraj Chopra. For zebra. Thank you kids for learning.